with the tools.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Absolutely. Yeah. Jamie Pickett, I'm the plant manager for Tarmac at Meriden DSM. So far so good, adventurous day out. And the equipment that we use as well, that you can see behind us, we've currently got one on our site, a bagging one. Absolutely amazing machine.
Would you recommend DISAB to others in your industry?
Oh, 100%.
I would recommend DISABs to anyone.